Hello everyone, this is Russell Carlin and this is my week 2 review for Advanced Visual Frameworks. And here's my home page, my launch page. And let's see, we have our discussion posts here that automatically just update, which I don't have week 2 yet, but I will be here before I upload it. I changed my old CRUD to the original Visual Frameworks class because it's all JavaScript, 100% JavaScript, and this new app is going to be 100% JavaScript, and it just works a lot better. I don't know why I don't know. The other one just didn't work very well. I don't know why, but and I redid all this. I redid all the code because the first week was kind of bad. The code was really, really bad, so I just recoded all of it, and it's a lot better now. And here is the home page for my new app. And the basic idea of the app is that it's going to take a picture of just anything and you turn it into an item for like in-game, for like World of Warcraft or whatever. So you can just take a picture and that'll show on there, and then you can name it and then you give it stats just for fun. So, and back up here is the go back to the launcher, and let's just go into the new item. Here is this. It has placeholders for just a basic item, and here's where the image will be for next week, which I'll have to edit so that's the right size or whatever. So, and up here is the title of your item, and then their stats. And as you type over here, it updates over there. So, say you want to be a hammer of power. And then as you can see over there, maybe, as you can see, it has hammer of power now instead of the keyboard of HTML. And and then the native features location, it also has an alert, which the beep there you just heard, and it has a alert notification saying that it was successful, and then the location of the item updates right there. And later on I'm going to make it so it actually says something like relative. Right now it just says longitude and latitude, so I just wanted to make sure it was working and got it going, so it does work and everything. So, except for, well, on Android, which we will see, well, right now. So alright, we got Android loaded up here, and of course everything is responsive. I re-edited all the code to make it responsive, so everything is edited for the Android here, and here's the discussion posts and everything. So, and the old CRUD works a lot better, and actually everything works on that, but this is what we're here to see mainly. And the same thing, of course, and then it changes all the sizes and everything. And let's go hammer of power again, and click off there, and that changes. And this is the location is the issue that I had that I was talking about. Right now I didn't put the manually enter the geolocation, so it'll time out in 10 seconds and it will beep twice. I don't know if you can hear that or not. You might not be able to hear that, but it does beep twice, and then it gives you the error thing saying that it failed because there's no geolocation in there because you have to do it manually, and which I'll show you here at the end because it'll crash when I put it in manually. So, but basically I'm going to add I'm going to have a button at the bottom, and I'm going to save, or I'm going to attempt to save this image here, the preview, as I'm going to save it to a canvas. I found a website that showed how to save it into a canvas, DOM elements and stuff, and you can save them as like a JPEG, and then I will have it put it into a folder, which would be using the file system, and into your like pictures or your SD card or whatever, and then I'll have a folder in there called epics, and then this page here, which is your stash, would be all of your epics. Will display what ones you already have, and it will put them all in here, and you'll be able to look at all your epics that way, hopefully, if it all works out the way I planned it. So we'll go ahead and enter this is just the geolocation that had it already in there, so, and make sure that's it, yeah. So it sent the geolocation in manually, and now when I click this, it acts like it's going to go, and I think the code is working, but it just, for whatever reason, it crashes the Android. And as you can see over here, all of the processes are shutting off and it's crashing. That should be all, and thank you for watching, and I will see you all next week.